Good morning. I am Kamini Kumari, student of Standard 10 of Arjun Public School, and today I am here to speak something about coronavirus. The coronavirus is a family of viruses that can cause a range of illness in humans, including common cold and more serous forms like SARS and MERS, which are life-threatening. The virus is named after its shape, which takes the form of crown and protection around it, and hence it is known as coronavirus. The recent outbreak of coronavirus is believed to have occurred in a market for illegal wildlife in the central city of Wuhan. Chinese Health Authority and WHO are investigating the outbreak of recent coronavirus. Since it is a new strain, there is not a specific vaccine for it to treat the patient. However, according to WHO, many of the symptoms can be treated and therefore treatment based on the patient clinical condition. As Wuhan is the epicenter of corona outbreak, it started from Wuhan and spread all over the world. Now talking about India, India has expanded screening of international tourists. Few India travels Few India travelers who were found with coronavirus strain have been isolated and treated before the release. Coronavirus also affected the economical condition of every country. Warriors are maintaining that prolonged guarantees sleeping chain distribution, a sharp reduction in tourism and business travel could weaken a global economic for every cause of protection. The deadly outbreak has claimed life of over 169,000 people and infected nearly 25 lakh globally. The WHO has declared it a pandemic. The Health Ministry has confirmed 18,985 cases of COVID 19 in India and 603 deaths so far. In India, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced lockdown in India to decrease the spread of coronavirus and break the chain of coronavirus, which is very helpful in decreasing the coronavirus patients. As at the last, thank you, and I request you all be safe, be at home, stay safe, stay home.
Good afternoon, I am Pooja, student of Standard 10 of Arjun Public School. Today I am here to say something about coronavirus. The coronavirus continues to spread in Asia, Europe and Middle East with more than 70 cases and 2 deaths confirmed in the United States, while the Food and Drug Administration announced this weekend that testing in the United States would be greatly expanded. Health experts have been warning that the virus spread in the country is inevitable. That means it's time to prepare your home and family in case your community is affected. While the outbreak is a serious public health concern, the majority of those who contract the coronavirus do not become seriously ill, and only a small percentage require intensive care. By following some steps, you can help to reduce your risk. Keep your hands clean and keep your distance from sick people. Wash your hands. India has expanded screening of international travelers. Few Indian travelers who were found with the coronavirus strain have been isolated and treated before their release. Thank you.
Doctors, respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Amidst the fearful environment of COVID-19, I am Washam Priya, student of Standard 10 at ASEAN Public School, Gaya. I want to share my view about the universal series Our Mother Earth is Going Down. Coronavirus are the family of viruses that can cause illness such as common cold, severe acute respiratory syndrome, and Middle East respiratory syndrome. In 2019, a newly coronavirus was identified as the cause of disease outbreak that originated in China. Sign and symptom of coronavirus or COVID-19 may be appeared to 14 days after exposure. Sign and symptom of coronavirus are fever, cough, sneezing, and shortness of breathing. The best way to prevent and slow down the transmission is to well informed and aware about the COVID-19. It has been issued in the instance of public to wash your hands frequently and sanitize the stuff before using them to avoid getting infection of coronavirus. It too soon to tell how long the pandemic will continue. There's no vaccine, but intense research has been away around the world. since scientists shared the virus genetic makeup in January 2020, vaccine testing in humans shared with great speed in March 2020. The only way out of this grim situation is to follow the rule of social distancing has been recommended by government. And I would now like to end a positive note, hoping we find a way of this grim situation. Stay home, stay alive. That's all. Thank you so much for your patience and attention.